This is our first time out in our play yard, and we seem to be enjoying it. It's a beautiful day. It's only 81 degrees. Oh, there we all are. Y'all having fun? Yeah? You're having fun? Well, good. Now I get to tell y'all apart. We'll do easy first. This is your little female puppy here, Rachel. I think you named her Ruby. Yeah. Say hi. Look at me. Hi. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Little stains will go away. When she gets a little older, they sometimes do that when they have white faces. Yeah. And this, I think, is Charlie. Is that you, Charlie? Huh? Is that you? Huh? Rachel's getting two of them. These two right here. Yeah. What? Huh? Hi. Hi. Yeah. Too cute. Too cute. This is Rocky on the left. And Mojo on the right. Huh, Mojo? And Macy, this is your puppy behind. What? You tired? You tired, girl? Yeah. We're eating food real well. And Mom is just about over all this, so she's only going to be in here a couple times a day. There's Mom right there. Sugar. What you doing, Shug? You checking him out? Okay. We got one inside the slide. What you doing in there? Yeah. You guys are having a good day, huh? Okay, we know how to do this, I see. Whee! Whoops. In the next 2 weeks we'll get real good at that. What you doing, Mojo? Huh? What you doing, boy? Huh? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, listen to you. Oh, you found the water. Yeah. What you doing, Rocky? Checking it all out, huh? Checking it all out. What you doing, Charlie? What you doing under there? I see you. I see you under there. What you doing, Miss Ruby? Oh, you're going to show them how to do the slide? Because you're too smart for your own britches, aren't you? Come on. Macy, here's your little girl. She's tired. We had a busy morning. What you doing, Rocky? Huh? Y'all looking at old Robin over there? Yeah. This one I think I'm going to keep and name Hunter. Oh, you found a toy. Oh, I have to tell Mom you like toys. I'm sure Mom is getting you lots of toys. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy the video, and have a good week, and I will see some of you this weekend.